friends, my name is Prajna.
Hi friends, my name is Nithya.
Welcome back to Prajna Nithya YouTube channel. So we bought a new piano. Let's unbox it. It's BIGFUN company BF-430A1. This is BIGFUN company BF-430A1. This is the piano and they give the cable, and here they give the mic.
These are the keys.
We should keep this cable here. Okay, so now I'll on the switch. So this is the piano. Here we can increase volume and decrease volume. And here these are keys. And if we'll play this, you'll get the Christmas song. If we want to stop, we should click this.
And if we want to play, we should click this. And
This is the drums of dog, and this frog. This is the duck, and this is the bird.
Now these are the keys. See the sound.
There are 8 theorems. These are 8 themes. Bye friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.
Bye.
Bye friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.
This price is 696 rupees. We bought in Amazon.
Bye friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.
Bye.